Hello, hello. In this lesson, we're going to delve even deeper into the fascinating topic of credit reports. Think of it like exploring uncharted territories in a book. There's always more to discover. So grab your explorer hats and let's continue our journey into understanding the value of credit reports for both borrowers and lenders. For borrowers, access to money. Think of a credit report like a ticket to borrowing money. If you have a good credit report, it's like having a golden ticket. Banks and lenders are more likely to lend you money when you need it. Paying less. Having a good credit report can actually save you money. You might get lower interest rates on loans, which means you have to pay back less in the long run. It's like finding a coupon in your wallet. More choices. With a good credit report, you are like a superhero with lots of power. You get to choose from different types of loans and credit cards because banks trust you more. You're not just borrowing money, you're kind of like a candy store, picking out your favorite treats, loans and credit cards, because the candy man trusts you. Being trusted. When you pay your bills on time and handle your money responsibly, banks trust you more. That means they are more likely to give you money when you need it because they know you are good about paying it back. Plus, who doesn't want to be the MVP of money management? For lenders, playing detective. Lenders are like Sherlock Holmes, but instead of solving crimes, they're solving the mystery of your financial history. They look at your report to figure out if you're good at paying back your money or if you might be a risk. Making decisions. Your credit report helps lenders decide if they should give you a loan and how much interest to charge. It's like giving them a clue about whether you'll be good at paying them back, helping them predict if you will be a responsible borrower or end up lost in a financial Bermuda Triangle. Avoiding problems. Lenders want to avoid lending money to people that might not pay them back. So they're going to look at your credit report to see if you've been responsible with money in the past. Lenders want to avoid financial disasters like the plague. They're like sailors steering clear of rocky shores. Your credit report is their map to smooth sailing. Following the rules. Lenders have rules they have to follow, like laws and regulations. They use credit reports to make sure they're lending money responsibly and following the rules. Key facts. Credit scores. Your credit score is like having a grade of how you are about borrowing and paying back money. The higher your score, the better. Watch out for mistakes. Sometimes credit reports have mistakes. Just like when your teacher accidentally marks a wrong answer on a test, it's important to check your report regularly to fix any mistakes. Too many inquiries. Every time someone looks at your credit report, it's like a little mark. Too many marks in a short period of time can lower your credit score, so it's good to be careful about how often people check it. Keep an eye on your credit score. Just like you keep an eye on your grades in school, it's important to keep an eye on your credit report. That way, you can make sure everything is okay and there are no surprises. Your credit report is like a plant. It needs regular watering, checking, to stay healthy. Don't let it wither away unnoticed in the financial jungle. Learning about credit reports doesn't have to be as dry as day-old toast. With a dash of humor, it's more like a delicious pizza party of financial knowledge. Understanding the value of credit reports helps us to see how important it is to be responsible with our finances and how it affects both borrowers and lenders in the real world. It helps you and the banks make smart decisions. And I hope that helps you guys with financial literacy today. Have a great day.